Pwede na. Partner live ba yan? Live ba? Coach, last time sabi niyo po sa amin na big test character para sa inyo itong laban na ito. Ano pong masasabi niyo na nag-respond yung mga players?
Yeah, I'm very proud of our boys, no? Especially yung bench namin. Tulad na sinabi ko before ng start ng season, yung identity ng team namin, no? It's not really relying on one person, but really more of yung collective effort. So ngayon, pinakita ng team yun na nag-step up yung mga bench players namin, si Havelona, si Diputado, si Rap Atangan early on. And we committed to really playing our team defense against Ateneo. Alam naman natin, hindi naman kami talaga offensive team. So we just rely on sheer defense.
Coach, nilaro niyo po ng last 2 minutes. Masasabi niyo ba na yun talaga yung Bulldogs brand of basketball ngayong season?
We hope so. We hope so. And talagang making stops, helping each other. Sana ganun din yung nangyari sa Lasal. Nakuha sana namin yung rebound ng last possession. But unfortunately, the breaks did not go our way. So, ano na lang, it's a learning experience for us.
Coach, sinabi ko tayo below na finish the game. Although they're playing well also against Lasal. We did talk about that decision of finishing the game.
Ano kasi, we felt na at the end we needed to focus more on our defense talaga, making stops, make sure we stop Kiefer, and then we want to pressure the point guard. And nung last few minutes kasi, they were really doing a good job and they were controlling the tempo of the game. So we thought of keeping them at the end of the game.
Coach, medyo nag-struggle po yata si Jello. Can you talk about his performance in the last 2 games ng basketball?
Well, there will be games talaga na we don't expect him naman to really, have his A game. There will be games talaga that he will struggle. Ang maganda lang is meron siyang Rev Diputado that can back him up. And Jello will always be our leader. He will always be our first point guard. So we will stick with him. There will be games that he will struggle, but siya pa rin, we need him. We need him this season to be the leader and to be our main point guard.
Troy, ano yung sa game? Ano yung naisip mo when you played today?
Tough game. Game doon sa last 4 minutes ng game. Yun na lang nag-click yung defense namin. Nagtulungan kami sa defense. Hindi kami kanya-kanya. Tapos sa offense, nag-execute lang namin yung mga pre-practice namin. Walang lumabas sa system.
Coach, in spite of having Alfred Laroga and Henry Betayan in your line, can you comment about Troy Rosario's production in yung presence lang po niya? Kasi consistent po yung rebounding niya for the past 3 games.
Yeah. Well, yun ang hinahanap namin talaga kay Troy, and we're very happy he's delivering yung rebounding niya, yung defense niya. He can defend a perimeter player, he can defend the big guy, and it helps us. He complements Alfred and Henry very well at the 4 position. So malaking bagay talaga yung having Troy, and even Kyle Napes at the 4.
Coach, you mentioned before again after Lasal na the loss was a test of character. Do you think this game pakita na ng team yung character nila by beating the leader, the early leader?
Yeah, I think the team really showed character today, lalo na when we were missing our free throws. All right, hindi sila nawala na focus. They know that it's still a defensive game. So if we miss our free throws, we need to make stops sa kabila para naman hindi sila makahabol. So again, it boiled down to yung character ng team, never giving up and closing that game.
Anong comment mo doon? Anong comment mo doon na sabi ni Coach, it was a test of character before talo mo sa Lasal?
Tough loss, pero kailangan nang ano namin yun yan sa ano namin. Kailangan lang namin na mag-focus sa mga susunod na games namin. Every game, importante sa amin. So, kung talo, set aside na yun. Tapos na yun eh. So, look forward na kami sa mga next games.
Coach, your next game is against Adamson. Yung Adamson, medyo pinahirapan kanina yung UST. So, what do you say about it?
Yeah, we cannot be complacent against Adamson. They're a young team, pero makikita mo na they can really keep up with the veteran teams like UST. So we really have to prepare well for them, and dapat talagang we have to bring our A game against Adamson on Wednesday. All right. Stats na ba? Stats. Ay, congratulations. Thank you.